Okay, pupils, we are on this year 5 English plus 1 workbook on page 10. So we are on starter unit. So this is about vocabulary. So you will learn about countries and nationalities. So activity 1, choose the correct country. So before we delve deeper into this activity here, so I want to show you a color print flag here. So we have maybe number 1. So we have this the USA or simply United States. So if you can see here, this is roughly around 50 stars. So for the US, and then we have number 2, we have the country called Turkey. So if you remember some special ice cream, so you will remember Turkey. So we have this one, Turkey, with 5-point star, and then we have a moon. So this is red in color and white. So this is Turkey. And then we have the next country. So this is the UK, United Kingdom. So they have 3 colors, white, red and blue. So this is the UK. And then we have this one, Brazil. So roughly around 4 colors. So we have green color, so slightly yellow color, and then we have the word in green, blue. So this is Brazil. And then we have Japan here. So this is just red color and white. So this is the sun. So we have Japan. And then we have this one, China. So China is the second populous country in the world. So India already overtake maybe in 2023. So China is the second populous. It's not the most populous country in the world. So this is China. So we have 5 star. So each star is 5-point star. So we have red color and then yellow color. So next one, we have this Australia. So if you can see here, so they have around 6 stars here. So this is 7-point star rather than 5. So some of it is 5-point star. So I think it's just 1. So this is Australia. And then maybe you never heard before this country. So just maybe. So this is Mexico. So we have Mexico here. And then we have India. So India, this is the first example here. So this is India. And then we have Italy, just 3 color. So we have red, white and green, Italy. And then we have another country here, Egypt. So they have the famous pyramid. So we have this Egypt. So basically you can check the answer here, but we will just go one by one. So number 1, so this is India. Sorry, for the first example is given India. So correction number 1, so we have the USA, stand for the United States of America. So we have number 1, D. And then number 2, so this is Turkey. And then number 3, we have the UK or the United Kingdom. And then number 4, Brazil. Number 5, Japan. And then number 6, China. And then we have number 7, Australia. So next, we move on to activity 2. So complete the sentences with the country or nationality. So we have Australia, the country. So this is its citizen. So Australian, Brazil, Brazilian, Italy, Italian, Japan, Japanese, Spain, Spanish, and then the UK. So its people is called British. So the USA, American. So give an example number 1. Where's your mom from? She's from Naples. It's a place in Italy. And then number 1, are you from New York? Yes, that's right. So I'm American. So New York is the capital of the USA. So I'm American. And then number 2. So let me adjust the place. So Seville, Granada, and Barcelona are my favorite places. They're cities. So this is from Spain, Spanish. So this is Spanish cities. And number 3, where is the city of Brasilia? So it's in Brazil. Number 4, are your cousins from Sydney? Yes, they're so Australian. So Sydney is a famous city in Australia. So this is they're Australian. Number 5, sushi is a popular food. It's from, so this is from Japan. So maybe you went before to Sushi King or other equivalent restaurant. So Japan. So number 6, my favorite sports star is from London. It's, so maybe for example, David Beckham is a famous sports star from the UK. So he's British. So next we move on to activity 3. So introduce the people and their nationality. So my name's Naomi. So this is not called Naomi, Naomi. So I'm from Japan. So this is Naomi. She's Japanese. And then we have number 1. My name's Juan. So I'm from Mexico. This is Juan. His. So its people is called Mexican. So Mexican. So maybe I maximize it a bit. So this is Mexican. So number 2, my name's Mahmoud. I'm from Egypt. This is Mahmoud. He is Egyptian. So we have this one, E-G Y P T and then I-A-N, Egyptian. Number 3, my name's Melissa. I'm from Turkey. This is Melissa. She's so Turkish. So it's not Turkian, Turkish. My name's Raj. I'm from India. This is Raj. He is Indian. My name's Rebecca. So I'm from China. So basically, maybe this is the English name of a Chinese. So Rebecca. This is Rebecca. She's Chinese. So Chinese. And then number 6, my name's Felipe. I'm from Brazil. This is Felipe. He is Brazilian. So maybe this is Brazilian language. So maybe I'm not pronouncing correctly. So Brazilian. So note that this is not double L, just single L, Brazilian. And then we move on to number 4, activity 4 here. So write sentences with countries and nationalities. Use the words to help you. So we have around 9 words here. So my school friend Ahmad is from Egypt. So number 2, the Turkish flag is red and white. So as you can see here, I want to show you the Turkish flag again. So this is the flag. And then maybe I write somewhere around another extra 8 sentences here. So I will write as number 1 here. So just simple English. So maybe you can use number 1, my cousin. My cousin Maria is from Spain. So maybe as long as you mention his nationality or about his or her country, so that's enough. So number 2, so maybe currency. So the currency of the USA is the dollar. So dollar, we have double L. So basically we have used up this flag here, and then we have used up school friend. So 1, 2, 3, 4, this is number 5, but I'm writing it as number 3. So film star, so you can say that sports star is from Brazil. So maybe Ronaldinho, so Brazil. And then number 4, so food, you can state it pizza maybe. So we ate delicious Italian food. Yesterday. And number 5. Okay, sorry, just now I write sports star, so maybe the next example would be film star. So you can state it, my favorite film star is from Korea. And then we have another one. This is friend. So maybe you can state my best friend is Malaysian. And then teacher. Oh, sorry, just now maybe you didn't see it. So number 7. So we have this teacher. So my teacher is from India. So just an example. So that's it for this page. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the relevant contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it, you can join it.